Hey guys, I got a box from eBay. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Got a lot of packing material. This is packaged really well. Get the box out of the way. Alright. Let's see what is in here. I have to say, this eBay seller is definitely getting 5 stars for packaging. Alright. We got a gasket. Gaskets are good, right? Let's see what this is. Oh, this is the oil cap. And it looks like we have the mounting hardware for the valve cover. That's cool. We have the ignition coil wiring harness. We also have an airplane going overhead. Sorry about that. And of course, we've got the valve cover. It's pretty grungy. We'll have to clean that up. But yeah, you've probably figured it out by now, but this is the M56 valve cover for the BMW. This is going to replace the plastic valve cover that's on the engine right now. This valve cover also has the CCV system built into the valve cover right here. So I think that's going to make my life a little bit easier. Anyway, in the next video, we're going to get this thing cleaned up and we're going to install it on the BMW. Thanks for watching.